Construction accidents are often misunderstood to be merely workers' compensation claims. Sometimes a catastrophically injured worker is harmed by the negligence of somebody who is not protected by the workers' compensation bar. The workers' compensation bar applies when an injured party has a claim against their employer. Now, if the negligent actor in a construction accident is a borrowed or fellow servant of the employer, the workers' compensation bar applies. One example of a situation where this bar may not apply is when a supplier who is bringing, say, sheetrock to a construction site comes on the site and stacks the sheetrock by leaning up against the studs. That is not an appropriate way to stack the sheetrock, and if it falls and injures a worker, that supplier may not be protected by the workers' compensation bar. Other types of construction accidents that are not barred by workers' compensation might be products liability, where a guard or some sort of safety device has been removed or not installed. There could be a failure to warn or a failure to maintain the equipment that injures the worker who may be your loved one. When somebody is catastrophically injured, workers' compensation is not going to provide adequate compensation, and thorough investigation and review of the case is necessary to make sure your injured worker, your loved one, is provided for.